Hi, welcome to the market alert for Wednesday, the 19th of October 2016. So yesterday we had just the one buy signal in the afternoon session. It took a moment or two for the market to actually get there. It did come back at one point, and I thought if it breaks the 18,150 level, then it would have probably have taken the trade out, but the market continued to the upside to the scalp figure. I then sent out a note to say that I wouldn't be trading for the remainder of the day, and the market did more or less go sideways. We did have another buy signal into the evening session, which as you can see here, if I can just get the right tool, the market actually putting in around 14 points to the high there before reversing and then coming back down with a sell signal. This one resulted in a loss as the market came back, and then that one went on to make a profit just at the 18,150 level, and the market's managed to come back off that at the moment on the overnight session. In the daily chart, you can see how the market came off the highs yesterday at the 20-bar average, and today we've got the market trying to move back to the upside there, but still stuck in this sideways range, and this is how it's going to be until we get the US election out of the way, unless something else comes out of the blue. We've got news-wise today, building permits at 1:33 p.m. Crude oil inventories actually return, as there's no US holiday this week, so back to the normal Wednesday at 3:30 p.m. This is forecast to show a surplus as well, which is negative generally for a market, but again, at the moment, bad news is good news is bad news for this market. But again, irrespective of all of that, we do have a situation where the market is waiting for the US elections now. And then on the implied volatility, 1330, this is down from yesterday, 1411, and you can see this in the chart there. So again, this also reflecting what's going on in the underlying market as well, where prices are sideways. So really that's it today. There's not a lot to report. Even Deutsche Bank is still holding up in the highs there. You can see yesterday the market moving back up. It did have a bit of a sink at one point. That's probably when the 38 million fine hit the mainstream, but other than that, you can see the market coming back. So again, everything treading water really, waiting for the 8th of November, which isn't too far away now, which is good, because it seems like this year all we've done is just wait for major events, and once the US election's out of the way, there's nothing really to wait for, apart from, he says, a potential rate increase in December, which will be, of course, 6 weeks after that. So there's plenty to happen in between, waiting for Yellen's decision on interest rates, which is likely, reading around all of the alternative media, Zero Hedge and the like, that we could see a rate increase during December. I read an article yesterday where 9 members of the Fed were voting the same as this time last year to see an increase, but only time will tell. At the moment it's all conjecture and speculation, who knows. But if they do, then it's going to be a very interesting 2017. See if they can hold the stem and tidal selling that we saw earlier this year when they increased interest rates last December. And again, so much for increasing the rates anyway. I mean, they were going to increase 6 times this year, and they haven't even managed one yet. So again, that's what's been part of the waiting game in the trading this year, is whether they can have the courage to do it, or want to do it, or not going to do it. Who knows? Just shows you the sign of the times. Right, that's it. I will see you in tomorrow's market alert. Other than that, let you know if anything else is happening during today, and if I see anything, let you know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.